The death toll due to the coronavirus disease in India crossed 500 on Sunday and the number of infected stood at 15,712. The Union Health Ministry data showed this morning. According to the Health Ministry's data at 8 a.m., there were 12,974 active cases, 2,230 people have been sent home after being cured of the coronavirus disease, and 507 people have died till then. President Donald Trump yesterday said China should face consequences if it was found to have been knowingly responsible for the novel coronavirus outbreak, according to a media report. It could have been stopped in China before it started, and it wasn't. The whole world is suffering because of it, Trump said at the daily briefing by the White House Task Force on Coronavirus. The coronavirus nationwide lockdown is now a devastating blow to most people of the state, especially the poor and needy people. The Manipur government has imposed a total lockdown and curfew since 24th of March last as a precautionary measure against the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 lockdown has severely hit the life of the general public, particularly the daily wage earners, laborers and the poor people. Dibrugarh Police has started its preparation to enforce the new guidelines issued by Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India regarding the lockdown after April 20 next. The Dibrugarh Police, led by Superintendent of Police Srijit T, has started briefing officers of all the police stations of the district regarding the new guidelines of the lockdown to be effective after April 20 till May 3. The second COVID-19 patient from Manipur who has been getting medical treatment in the isolation ward of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Lamfelpat, Imphal tested negative yesterday. The patient will be discharged from the isolation ward in case he tests negative again. One of the two Manipuri nurses at Max Hospital, Delhi, one has been declared COVID-19 negative, but one more test is awaited. They recently tested positive for COVID-19. Owner and publisher of the Sangai Express, Nisikant Singh Sapam, today distributed essential commodities to around 45 poor families under Sega Road, Thauda Bhabok Lekai, Imphal. The distribution was done at Sega Road, Thauda Bhabok Lekai, Imphal. Nisikant Singh said that he will further continue to extend assistance to the needy families during the COVID-19 lockdown. Considering the hardships faced by the people of Barjal district, particularly Parbung and Vangai range areas under Tipaimuk due to the present lockdown, 55 Tipaimuk constituency MLA Dr. Chaltonlian Amo distributed free essential household items to the people of Parbung and Vangai range areas. Amid the COVID-19 total lockdown and curfew, Golden Dry Fish proprietor Raj Lakshmi Waribam distributed daily essential commodities to 15 different old age homes and children homes of the state. Moirang Assembly Constituency MLA P. Sarat Chandra distributed ration and tin roofs to 15 families. The houses of these families were destroyed during the storm that swept through the state 2 days back. One bundle of GCI seeds, a sum of Rs 1,000 and edible items were distributed to these households at Fubala and Terakong Sangbi. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has clarified that no decision has been taken by the government about the time to open domestic or international flight operations till now. As per reports, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri on social media had advised airlines to open their bookings only after the government takes a decision in this regard.